Hey everybody, this is Eric Clark's Travel Videos, and I'm here in Lviv, Ukraine. And here's my Airbnb, and I'll walk you through it. You can see the whole thing, and it's really cute. It's in the perfect location. Right out the door is the Opera House, which is amazing too. Bye, everybody. All right, everybody. Well, I've made it to Lviv, and it has been a day, but I just got here a little bit ago. There was a collapse in the road, and so it took an extra 2 hours. So this is the bedroom, cute little bedroom, and there's no footboard, which is nice, and I'll make all that work. In the closet, what's in here? Hangers. Like I use hangers, but that's cool. And then we'll do the bathroom, I guess. The bathroom's a really big bathroom. A toilet, sink, a stand-up shower stall, and a tub, which is nice. And it looks like a deep tub. I don't know that, I think I could fit in there. And there's Eric. Hello, everybody. And let's see, living room. It's got a nice little couch and air conditioning up there. Table, TV, little table, little refrigerator, and a beer. Don't forget the beer. And what did I get? Oh, I got stuff at the store. I'm trying these things. I don't know what they are. But the lady just about twisted my arm and told me to take some. So I guess I'm trying one of each, and I don't even know what the heck's in them. And then I got just some potatoes to eat and half a chicken. So, and some butter and some vodka, and that's it. And it's a cute little refrigerator. Gosh, you guys want to see everything, don't you? Okay, so what do I have in there? I got a couple of beers, and I got some Diet Coke, and some milk, and 10 eggs, some cheese, yogurt, and that's about it. Well, that's it. That's my place. Thanks for coming along, everybody. Bye-bye.